/ignore/creating an informal product description for a self-managed pricing catalog, guided flow. Click Informal Products. Click the plus to create a new description. Click the edit icon to select a category, and click OK. If the item or service has a brand, input it here. Input the item description. Try to use a generic description so this description can be used multiple times. You can input further detail in the order instructions section of the requisitions. Input the item size, numerical. For example, wine is usually sold in 375 ml bottles. Here you would enter 375. An entertainer may be paid by the 1 hour. Here you would input 1. If the item does not have a size, use a default of 1 each. Select the measure. For example, wine is usually sold in 375 ml bottles. Here you would enter ml. An entertainer may be paid by the 1 hour. Here you would input hour. If the item does not have a measure, use a default of 1 each. Input the item sell quantity, numerical. If your item comes in multiples, input the numerical value here. For example, wine usually comes in cartons of 6. Input 6 here. Slippers come in boxes of 100. Input 100 here. If the item does not come in multiples, use a default of 1 each. Select the item sell pack name. For example, wine usually comes in cartons of 6. Input carton here. Slippers come in boxes of 100. Input box here. If the item does not come in multiples, use a default of 1 each. Click Save. You have completed this task.